When opening your treadmill, you're going to need a pair of sharp scissors to cut off the banding. Once you've opened your box, it's always a good idea to check the contents inside to the manual to make sure you've got everything required. As the base of the treadmill is quite heavy, we always recommend that 2 people lift it out of the box. Attach the vertical frame bars to the running deck of the frame. You will need to thread the connection wire through the vertical frame arm. Secure the vertical frame bar to the running deck. Use 2 flat washers and 2 black Allen head bolts on both sides of the vertical frame bar. Use 1 arc washer and 1 black Allen head bolt on the back of each vertical frame bar. Connect the right hand sidewall from the console and the handrail through the plastic clip provided until you hear a clicking noise. Then push the excess wire into the handrail frame. When placing the wire back into the frame, ensure that you do not catch the wire between the console and the frame when reattaching it. Insert the console into the upper end of the vertical frame bars. Screw the console to the vertical frame bar. Use 2 black Allen head bolts, 1 black arc washer and 1 black flat washer for each side. Twist the rubber foot anti-clockwise to lower the treadmill and twist it clockwise to raise it. Remove the screw and the washers that are attaching the security lock to the base. Plug the treadmill into the wall outlet to power on the treadmill. Finally, to operate your treadmill, insert the safety key into the safety key socket.